Hello, everyone. Our topic is insights into alternative ways of assessing learners in science. So, let me first begin by stating why assessment is important. Assessment is a vital part of the teaching learning process, and exploring alternative methods helps us understand learners in a more meaningful way. Assessment, as defined by Harlan, Gibbs, Broadfoot, Motter in 1992, its assessment in education is the process of gathering, interpreting, recording, and using information about people's responses to an educational task. In simple terms, assessment tells us what students know, what they can do, and how they think. In science education, it is particularly important because science is not just about facts, it is about inquiry, observation, and problem solving. So, for the types of alternative assessment, I would like to give time to my fellow presenter, Ronson Lila.
Let us now look at some alternative ways of assessing learners in science. The first type is performance-based assessment. Performance-based assessment is where learners demonstrate understanding by actually doing something, for instance, conducting an experiment, demonstrating a concept, or building a model. This method assesses practical skills, inquiry abilities, and creativity, all of which are at the heart of science learning. Next, we have portfolio assessment, which is a systematic collection of a student's work over a period of time. For example, lab reports, project notes, diagrams, and reflections. Portfolios are powerful tools because they showcase students' growth and allow teachers to assess not just the final result but the entire learning journey. Peer and self-assessment. This is another effective method where students evaluate their own work or of their peers using clear criteria or rubrics. This method builds reflection, encourages collaboration, and helps students take responsibility for their learning. With technology becoming an integral part of education, ICT and digital assessments are gaining popularity. This includes online quizzes, simulations, and interactive tasks in digital portfolios. They are engaging, provide instant feedback, and cater to diverse learners, making assessment more flexible and inclusive. Oral assessment. This is another approach where students answer questions verbally or explain their reasoning. It is particularly useful for assessing understanding, communication skills, and logical thinking. This method allows teachers to gauge not just what students know, but how they reason. While these methods are effective, there are also challenges. Alternative assessments require more time for planning and implementation. Teachers need proper training to use them effectively, and grading can sometimes be subjective without clear criteria. Solutions. These challenges can be addressed by using rubrics for fair and consistent evaluation, integrating assessment activities into regular classroom teaching to save time, and leveraging technology to make the process more efficient. To conclude, alternative assessment transforms science learning from a process of rote memorization into a process of discovery and exploration. It helps learners think like scientists, curious, creative, and capable of solving problems. When used effectively, these assessments make learning more meaningful, enjoyable, and connected to real life. Thank you.